Okay, so what you have solved is integration 0 to 3. Okay, and then cos of log x upon x dx. So you have substituted log of x is equal to t. This is perfectly correct. Okay, and then 1 by x log x dx, ये जो है ये पूरा जो है ये हो जाएगा आपका dt. Okay, जो कि आपने यहाँ लिखा है t integration. Okay, when x is equal to 2, t is log 2. When x is equal to 3, t will be log 3. So you have changed the upper limit and lower limit also. And then finally integration of cos x is, it is sin t. Okay, integration of cos t dt is sin t, and then applied the limit, and this is what is your final answer. Perfectly correct answer. Very good. Okay, so fine. So question number 1, integration I is equal to integration 0 to a 1 upon x plus root of a square minus x square. Okay, so whenever we get some similar type of some same means whenever we get this square root in denominator, what we try to do, we try to multiply by its conjugate, and then we try to see whether am I getting means is it getting simplified or not. That is the approach we are going to follow. So let's do that with that and see whether it is right or not. Multiply by its conjugate, which will be minus. So it will be x minus root of a square minus x square. So here also I am going to multiply by x minus square root of a square minus x square. So here it will be x square, here it will be minus, and this will vanish. This root will be vanish. So you can see this clearly over here, that denominator part is what now? The denominator part is x square minus a square plus x square. So I am getting x square plus x square, which is 2x square minus a square. Correct? So this approach which I discussed with you now will not going to work. So conjugate will not going to work here. This you have understood or not? And why it will not work, that you have understood or not? Because in denominator I am not getting, I am getting this x, I am getting, I should get only what? Only I should get this constant, then only it will work. Understood or not? Okay, hope you have understood. Now, yes, now, so what is the second approach? Second approach is we will going to use substitution method. What we will going to substitute? As we discussed earlier, we will going to substitute here x is equal to a sine theta. Okay, so let's take the derivative. It will be dx is equal to a derivative of sine theta is cos theta d theta. Okay, and when x is equal to 0, then theta will be what? Theta will be 0 upon a, that is sine inverse of 0 upon a, that is 0. So this will be 0. And when x is equal to a, okay, then the theta will be what? Theta will be sine inverse of a upon a, which is 1. So what is this? What is sine inverse of 1? It is pi by 2. So I got the limit, that is 0 to pi by 2. Fine. So let's write it here. So I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. And then here I will going to write dx. Instead of dx, I will going to write what? Instead of dx, I will going to write as, just a minute, instead of dx, I will going to write a cos theta d theta divided by this x, I will going to write a sine theta plus square root of a square minus x square. It means when I say x square, this will be a square, this will be a square. Okay, so here a square is taken out common, so it will be a will come out, and then I will get square root of 1 minus sine square theta, which is cos theta. So I am writing here cos theta d theta. Hope you have understood. Now what to do? Now we can divide by a and cancel all this a. Okay, and I will get integration I 0 to pi by 2. Okay, it will be cos theta d theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, now what to do? Tell me. So, whenever you see what, whenever you see this, what is that? The limit that says it goes from 0 to pi by 2, you should always think of a property. Which one? This property. It's not 100% sure that this property will be useful, but here in this case this property will be useful. Why? Because when you convert this theta as pi by 2 minus theta, and when you convert this theta as pi by 2 minus theta, and when you convert this theta as pi by 2 minus theta, this will become sin theta, and denominator will become sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, and then you will going to add both to get one as answer. So that's what I will going to use. That's what I will going to do it. Okay, so this is my equation number 1. Now now in next step, what I will going to do, I will going to apply the property. Which property? This property, integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. तो जहां जहां cos of theta है, I will write pi by 2 minus theta. ओके, जहां जहां आपके पास थीटा है, यू विल गोइंग टू राइट पाई बाय 2 माइनस थीटा. यहां भी आप लिखोगे पाई बाय 2 माइनस थीटा. आपको मालूम है कॉस ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा क्या होता है? वो होता है साइन थीटा. ओके, और ये क्या होता है? ये होता है साइन थीटा, और ये होता है कॉस थीटा. सो आई कैन राइट हियर साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा. अब आप देखो, यहाँ का डिनोमिनेटर और यहाँ का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, लेकिन यहाँ का न्यूमरेटर cos थीटा है और यहाँ का न्यूमरेटर sin थीटा है. मतलब दोनों को ऐड करूंगा तो नीचे sin थीटा प्लस cos थीटा मिल जाएगा. इट मींस दिस इज माय इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? ऐड इक्वेशन नंबर 1 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर, ऐड इक्वेशन नंबर 1 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 2. यू विल गेट 2y इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू पाई, ऊपर मिलेगा sin थीटा प्लस cos थीटा डिवाइड बाय sin theta plus cos theta d theta, which is nothing but integration of 0 to pi by 2 1 d theta. That is nothing but only theta goes from 0 to pi by 2. ठीक है, then what you will do? 2i is equal to pi by 2 minus 0. So what is I? I is pi by 4. Pi by 4 is the final answer. Clear? Okay. Okay, so in question number 2 also, you can see that here it goes, this integration I goes from 0 to pi by 2 log of 10x dx. तो मैंने आपको बताया था कभी भी 0 to pi by 2 होगा ना, तो चांसेस ये रहता है कि आपको प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है. कौन सी? आपको प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है 0 to a f of x is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. ये यूज करनी है. क्यों करनी है ये यूज? क्योंकि इससे क्या होता है ना, आप दो बार अगर मतलब सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे ना इसको, तो आपको कुछ ऐसी वैल्यू मिलेगी. मतलब यू विल गोइंग टू चेंज दिस tan थीटा ना, दिस tan थीटा. ओके, दिस विल बिकम योर cot थीटा, और हियर इट इज x, सो इट इज cot x, एंड sin x विल बिकम cos x. ठीक है, sec x विल बिकम cosec x. ओके, cosec x विल बिकम sec x. ठीक है, लेकिन ये कब काम होता है? जब डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ हो. लेकिन यहाँ तो डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है, तो फिर भी यहाँ पर ये काम करेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि लॉग है यहाँ पर, इसलिए. अगर लॉग नहीं होता तो हम ऐसा नहीं करते थे. तो हम मतलब जो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 10x जो है उससे हम करते थे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर लॉग है, इसलिए यहाँ पर हम इसको ऐसे कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स डू इट. ओके, सो हाउ टू डू दैट? First, I will going to write I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of tan of pi by 2 minus x dx. So this will be what? 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this I will call as equation number 1 I. Okay, and this will be log of, what is tan of pi by 2 minus x? It is cot of x. Okay, cot of x dx. This is my equation number 2. Now equation number 1 plus equation number 2 will give you 2y is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. I can write this as log of 10x plus log of cot x dx. Now here you know you have to apply the laws. Which laws? Logarithmic law. And with this logarithmic law, this will be log of 10x into cot x dx. That is what? 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 dx. That is equal to what? 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is 0. Final answer is 0. Got it? So next question, what it says? It says that integration I 0 to 1 log of 1 by x minus 1 dx. Okay, so इंटीग्रेशन करना है log of something. This is complex ना, तो कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट को या तो कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. सब्स्टिट्यूट तो यहाँ कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, तो क्या करेंगे? तो इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है, तो 1 बाय एक्स माइनस 1 क्या होता है? वो हो जाएगा x अपॉन एक्स, दैट इज 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन एक्स. ठीक है, 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन एक्स है, तो वो मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ 0 टू 1 log of 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन एक्स dx. अभी ऐसी कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ मैं यूज करूं जिससे ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाए? मतलब ये जो है ना, ये इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाए. मतलब क्या? मतलब अगर ये a बाय b है, तो प्रॉपर्टी यूज करने के बाद b बाय a हो जाए. ऐसा मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं? क्योंकि log ऑफ दिस प्लस log ऑफ दिस करेंगे तो वो 1 आता है. कैसे? ये 0, ये 1 ये a कैंसिल हो जाएगा, b कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट ओनली 1. तो मुझे यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया, मतलब ये मुझे मन में सोचना है, पहले ही सोचना है. तो मैं यहाँ पर वही प्रॉपर्टी यूज करता हूँ. कौन सा? सबसे पहले इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 लेता हूँ. दिस इज माय इक्वेशन नंबर 1 एंड देन आई विल गोइंग टू अप्लाई दी प्रॉपर्टी. क्या है वो प्रॉपर्टी? जहां x है वहां पर 1 माइनस एक्स कर दूंगा. जहां x है वहां पे 1 माइनस एक्स कर दूंगा dx. इससे मुझे क्या मिला? इससे मुझे मिला इंटीग्रेशन 0 टू 1 log ऑफ 1 माइनस 1 कैंसल, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज प्लस एक्स, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 माइनस एक्स. तो मुझे मिल गया ना रेसिप्रोकल. ये देखो 1 माइनस एक्स न्यूमरेटर में है, यहाँ पर 1 माइनस एक्स डिनोमिनेटर में है. यहाँ पर x डिनोमिनेटर में है, यहाँ पर x न्यूमरेटर में है. मतलब जो मुझे फॉर्म चाहिए था वो फॉर्म मुझे मिल गया है. दिस इज माय इक्वेशन नंबर 2. अब क्या करेंगे? इक्वेशन नंबर 1 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 2. इक्वेशन 1 प्लस इक्वेशन नंबर 2, you will get 2i is equal to integration 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x upon x plus log of x upon 1 minus x dx. ठीक है, ये पूरा dx आप इसको ऐसे लिख, क्योंकि आप ऐड कर रहे हो उसको. अभी इधर आप क्या करोगे? वापस लॉगरिथमिक लॉ लगा लो. So that will be log of 1 minus x upon x into x upon 1 minus x. Okay, into 1 by x. This can, okay, fine. So this dx. Okay, so this cancel, this cancel. So what you will get? You will get log 1. What is log 1? Log 1 is 0. So your answer is 0. Got it? So answer of I will be 0. This is 2i. ये 0 है, तो I will be 0. Clear? Fine. So as discussed here, what we will to do? We will going to apply the same property what we did in question number 3. What we will going to apply? You will going to apply integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, wherever there is x, you will going to write pi by 2 minus x, minus wherever here again cos of pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus sine of pi by 2 minus x is what? Is cos x, and cos of pi by 2 minus x is what? Is sin x. So ultimately your denominator is same. Fine, whatever it may be, not a problem, because either denominator का कुछ रोल ज्यादा है नहीं. क्यों नहीं है रोल? वो आपको पता समझ में आएगा अभी. What is sin of pi by 2 minus x? It is cos x. What is cos of pi by 2 minus x? It is sin x. Okay, divide by न्यूमरेटर में जो कुछ भी है वो. ठीक है, dx. This is my your equation number 2 and this is your equation number 1. यहाँ पर I लिखना पड़ेगा. I is equal to this. So what you will do now? You will going to add equation number 1 plus equation number 2 So you will get 2y is equal to equation 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here what was that? Sin x minus cos x. So I will going to write first sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x, and then plus cos x. Okay, so this is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x. Denominator is same. Denominator is 1 plus sin x cos x only. So this denominator will remain same, whatever is that. Okay, and then dx. Here you can see clearly that this sin x is getting cancelled. This cos x is getting cancelled, and you are getting 0. 0 upon anything is 0. So here I will be 0. Got it? Clear? Okay. So यहाँ पर one point is very important. What is the important? Important is this: if you add 0 plus 3, what you are getting? You are getting 3. Is 3 here? Yes, it is there. So what property you are going to apply? You are going to apply the same property. What is that? It is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same property you are going to apply here. Okay, the reason you have understood why you have to apply that property here. Why? Because 0 plus 3 is 3, and 3 you see over here, right? So first you will say let I is equal to 0 to 3, x square 3 minus x 5 to the power of 2 dx. Now in next case, based on the property, what you're going to write, this is your equation number 1. And next is it your 0 to 3. Instead of x, you will going to write this as 3 minus x the whole square. Instead of x, you will going to write as 3 minus x. Okay, this will be 5 by 2 dx. Based on the property I have written this. Okay, now let's solve this further. 0 to 3, 3 minus x the whole square. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled, and here you will get only x. So x to the power of 5 by 2. Okay, x to the power of 5 by 2 dx. So now this is simplified, right? So now you can solve this further. No need to add equation 1 and equation 2. Why? Because nothing is getting simplified. Now I cannot simplify this further. So this equation 1 is of no use. You have to just solve this. So what is here? This is a minus b the whole square. That is 3 square. 3 square is 9 minus 3 to the 6. 6x plus x square. Okay, multiply by x to the power of 5 by 2. So I will write 9 x to the power of 5 by 2. Here x to the power of 5 by 2 plus x will be 7 by 2. Here x square plus 5 by 2 will be what? X square plus 5 by 2. So 2 plus 5 by 2. 2 to the 4, 4 by 2. 4 plus 3 is 9, 9 by 2. So this will be 9 by 2. Okay, so this is integration 0 to 3 this dx. Okay, now just need to do the integration part. So this 9 is constant. Okay, this 9 is constant, so I have taken out. Now integration of x to the power of 5 by 2 is what? X to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 upon x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1. That is what? That is 7 by 2. Okay, now here minus is there, 6 is a constant. Again, integration of x to the power of 7 by 2 is what? 7 by 2 plus 1 divided by what? 7 by 2 plus 1 is what? 9 by 9 by 2. This is plus, then x to the power of 9 by 2 plus 1 divided by 9, 10, 11. This will be 11 by 2. Okay, limits will be what? Everywhere what will be the limit? Limit will be from 0 to 3. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is 9. I will going to replace this x with what? With 3. So I am replacing this x with 3. So it is 3 to the power of, this is what? This is 7 by 2. So I will write 7 by 2. Okay, this denominator 7 by 2 is there, so I will write this 7 here. This 2 I will write here, minus, okay, this is 2, this 2 I will bring up, so this will become, let me write this 6, then 2 upon 9, and x is replaced by 3, and this is 9 by 2. Okay, this is your 9 by 2. Then plus this 2 will come up. 2 by 11, x will be replaced by 3. 3 by 11 by 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, minus you don't need to write it. Why? Because x, the value of x is this 0 na. So that you don't need to write. So because it is 0. So this is what is your final answer. So if you want, you can write this, means you can reduce this further. How you reduce? See, I'll tell you. 3 3 ja, no, 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Here 11 is there, here 3 is there. Okay, so here 7 is into 7. Here again into 7. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there. So this 3, okay, let me write it again. So into 7, here into 11. So this will be what? Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, so here we have solved this further, and finally answer which you are getting is 16 3 7 by 2, okay, upon 77. So this is your final answer. If you want, you can even write this as 16 cube root of 3 to the power of 7, okay, upon 77. If you want, you can even write this as 16 into square root of 3 into 3 to the power of 6, okay, 3 to the power of 6, okay, and divide by 77. Let me write this part separately over here. Square root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 2 4 5 6 1 7. So 3 threes are there, right? Here there is 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 3. So this finally you can write as 16 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 27 root 3 upon 77. This could be your answer. Or if you want, you can even have the answer as 16 into 16, okay, 16 into 27, that is 432. 432 root 3 upon 77. This could be your answer. So any of one is your answer. Got it?